BioFit probiotic reviews. Is BioFit the best probiotic weight loss support? BioFit is a weight loss supplement that works on improving the body's metabolism and overall digestive health to help users gain the body of their dreams. It is a natural supplement that does not make use of any chemicals, fillers, synthetics, and stimulants to bring out its benefits, and, due to this very reason, it is highly unlikely to induce any side effects given the current lifestyle of modern life, which is filled with unhealthy dietary habits and little to no physical activity. The risk of obesity is higher than ever. Also, people of today's age are so busy in their lives that they rarely have time to invest in their health. In such circumstances, the conventional weight loss measures, which include restrictive diet plans and strict exercises, are out of the question since they require constant time and effort. In such circumstances, it is the need of the hour to have something that can naturally trigger weight loss but require minimal effort from the users, which is why the market for weight loss supplements is becoming popular. However, one problem with this market is that it contains so many similar products that it can get confusing for you to decide which one to choose. However, with the availability of BioFit pills, the game is about to take a turn. Among countless weight loss supplements, some natural and others filled with chemicals, BioFit probiotic has emerged as a unique one, owing to its unusual composition. As mentioned on GoBioFit.com, this supplement uses probiotics, i.e. live bacterial strains, to replenish the gut health and improve the digestive processes. As a result, users can expect to lose weight in a natural yet effective manner. The use of probiotics for weight loss may seem like a new concept for many people, however, there is enough scientific evidence that backs it up. Research has suggested that supplementing the body with a product like BioFit capsules can control appetite and improve energy production by the generation of certain compounds, such as acetate, butyrate, and propionate. Additionally, regular consumption of probiotics also regulates fat absorption, control hunger hormones, both of which target weight loss. Evidence also suggests a positive role of probiotics in controlling inflammation, which may otherwise hinder the metabolism and cause weight gain. Another great feature about BioFit probiotic pills is that they can help users achieve all their desired goals related to body weight without disturbing other functions of the body. Moreover, the approach it adopts is different from other alternatives. As mentioned by Chrissy Miller, around 27,000 individuals have used BioFit supplement with successful weight loss results. Most BioFit customer reviews present on the internet as well as the official website are also positive about the working of this supplement, which makes it a potential solution that can help ease your weight-related problems. You can also check out BioFit independent reviews and see what weight loss benefits this probiotic supplement has to offer to its customers. How does BioFit really work for weight loss? To understand how the BioFit probiotic supplement really works, it is important to discuss the following aspects. What are probiotics? How do probiotics cause weight loss and improve body health in general? In the simplest words, probiotics refer to microorganisms, bacteria, in particular, that target the digestive system of the body in order to improve it. Unlike other strains of bacteria that are harmful and cause infections, these varieties are actually very beneficial as they impact a lot of the body's normal functions positively. Probiotics are usually consumed in the form of fermented foods or supplements like BioFit pills, and the primary improvements they can lead to include better heart health, improved immunity, and enhanced digestive processes. A common reason why people use probiotics is weight loss. This is because they can not only improve digestion but also positively impact the gut microbiota. The human body naturally consists of certain bacterial strains, including Firmicutes and Bacteroides, both of which help improve gut health and balance it. However, due to unhealthy eating habits and the toxin buildup over the years, these naturally occurring bacteria can get harmed and are often unable to perform their respective functions properly. As a result, users experience a multitude of side effects including slow digestion, acid reflux, and most importantly, weight gain. The human gut naturally has the ability to lose any extra pounds of weight and layers of fat. However, for this purpose, it needs to maintain a diverse bacterial profile in the gut, which can be accomplished with probiotic supplements like BioFit. Lastly, using a probiotic supplement like BioFit capsules also regulate the hormones that control hunger and satiety. When these hormones are balanced, you are less likely to indulge in unhealthy cravings and binge eating, which automatically leads to weight loss. To access BioFit offer, please click the link in the description. If you like this BioFit review video, please like and subscribe my channel to see my new videos. BioFit probiotic reviews. Is BioFit the best probiotic weight loss support?